everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some tips on how to stay focused on online classes. Before that, today we collaborate with Study for Ourselves channel. She uploads many aesthetic study blogs, so please subscribe and support her channel. Tip number 1. Create a quiet study space. Your study space can be anywhere that you feel comfortable with. But don't say my bed is my study space, because studying in a bed will decrease your productivity and decrease your focus too. So don't try to do anything productive in your bed. Tip 2. Establish your routine. I highly recommend to study early on the morning because our mind will be very calm and we need to absorb information on that time. Always remember, the first step to succeed is to wake up early in the morning. Tip 3. Take breaks. Take breaks after you're done with your study session is very important. You can do fun activities or exercise and stretching on that time. It will help you to keep your mind energized and stress-free. Tip number 4. Eliminate distraction. I know studying at home comes up with many potential distractions, so I have an idea to eliminate your distractions. My idea is to set your phone on Do Not Disturb mode. Therefore, you don't get any notification bells from your phone and will stay focused on your work. Tip number 5. Stay motivated. Staying positive and motivated is necessary to enjoy studying, so always stay motivated. I got explained some tips in detail on my previous video, so make sure to check it out. Finally, thank you so much for watching till the end. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below.